Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new into my channel, then please press the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with coming videos related to facts, invention, science, technology, chemical engineering and many more topics. I am going to post videos for that. So stay updated, stay tuned with it, and if you like my video then press the like button, share it with your friends, and if you have any confusion related to your career or anything you want to say, then please put it in the comment section below. So in this video I am going to talk about the career options for girls after doing chemical engineering. So I think at the time of the counseling, whenever you are going to choose college or branch, you must have heard about it that chemical engineering or sometimes mechanical engineering, these branches are not for girls. So why people say this? There is always some reason behind it. Some experienced person, some of your father's friends or some of your brother's friends must have told him about it. That's why people are saying this. So let's talk about it in detail in this video. So first, please follow my suggestion and give yourself some time and think about some questions related to yourself. Like, I am going to help you what kind of question you should ask to yourself and think about it. So first think about what kind of job you want. Why, first thing, why you want to do job. Is it your passion? You want to be independent? You want, what kind of your job you want? You want to be highly paid, and you want flexible jobs, like work from home option should be there, flexible working hours should be there, or you are okay with in shift work in the shift, and you want to manage people, or you want to supervise the production process, you want to work in the lab, you want to work in the teaching, designing, development, innovation is your passion. So what you want, you should think about it first. So let me help you with these answers. Actually, I am a chemical engineer, and being a girl, whatever I have faced, and I am a successful chemical engineer, I can say, because I am working in a company as a research scientist. So I am in India. So I think I can tell you about it, whatever you should think or not. So let's first talk about it. Why you want to choose chemical engineering? Because you are getting it in the college, you have no other option, or you are passionate about chemical engineering. If you are passionate, then why? Because you have liked chemistry in your schooling, that's why you want to opt chemical engineering. If this is the reason, then you must know the chemical engineering is not at all equal to chemistry and chemical engineering, these two things are very different thing. And after doing chemistry, you will do analyst chemistry kind of job, and chemical engineering skills are completely different. Or you have seen some successful chemical engineers, and then you have decided that I will also go for this. If this is the reason, then just go and talk to those person, and then understand why they have chosen this branch and how much successful are they. So if other than in other reasons are there, then my suggestion is go for this branch, but please opt good college. And if where you can get at least 80% placement, if 20% you will not get placement, then definitely just go for higher studies, then definitely you will get success. Next question you should ask to yourself is that work from home option you want in your future, or any flexible work or job you want in your future. Then my suggestion is this is not the right branch for you, because in this branch there is no possible flexibility, and you will surely regret it in the future. If you want to enjoy your life at the same time work, then this is not the branch you should go for it. Then now come to let's question, which is want to get highly paid. You want highly paying job. If this is the reason, then you must opt very good college, because IITs and IITs, they provide only high salary package. Other than that, off campus placements are not that much paying you. So if you are getting this branch in a good college, then go for it, otherwise don't go for it. Or you should go for higher studies after bachelor's, then only you can get at least good. if you like teaching and you want to go for this branch, then I think this is good branch, but you have to first do MTech, and then you can apply in private colleges. But private college don't give salary pay, they can give only 25 to 30,000 maximum per month. But if you want to go for government college teaching, then you have to do MTech, PhD, postdoc sometime, then experience is also required. Then you will get high paying good job in government college and you can teach well. Also some labs, CSIR labs, etc. For R&D jobs also PhD is required. So to get good and high paying teaching and R&D jobs, you have to do some other studies also, then only. So you have to spend so much time to get a good job in this field. So let's summarize these points. What are the positive thing about this branch? So I think this branch is very good because this branch very wide range of job opportunities, because from morning to evening whatever we are using, something or the other have been made by a chemical engineer. Some chemical engineering is everywhere required, from pharma to defense to aerospace, everywhere a chemical engineer is required. So this is actually a good branch. And in R&D and academic sector there is lots of job opportunities for girls, and this branch can give you high pay if you get it from a good college. And other things, in some PSUs anyways they have to maintain female to male ratio, that's why sometimes very good opportunities arises for girls. Now let's talk about not so good things about this branch. So most of the production units and manufacturing plants are outskirts, so they don't actually hire girls, and that their environment is not safe for girls, and relocation to those places are not safe. That's why production plants don't hire girls. And I have realized that this field is little bit male dominating field, but don't worry, women are also doing great in this field. And only opportunities for girls are process engineering, R&D and teaching. But these fields are very good and very innovative things you will be able to do. And next, this branch cannot pay you much initially, but after experience you can get good pay. No flexible options are there, so keep this in mind, like CSIT and work from home options are not there. So I think I have covered most of the things. If you have any confusion, any suggestion, then please put it in the comment section below and I will answer those. Thank you so much.